Need a new swimming pool liner this year? The cost of a pool liner can vary depending on a number of factors. The size and shape of the pool, the thickness of the liner, and what area you are located. On average, a standard vinyl liner for a basic in-ground pool can cost around $3,000 to $6,000. However, custom liners, including features such as vinyl-covered steps, benches, sun decks, safety ledges, or more high-end materials, can cost significantly more. It's best to get quotes and estimated installation timeframes from multiple companies to compare prices and installation expectations to ensure you are getting the best deal. Current prices in Cincinnati, Ohio and surrounding areas. A 1632 basic shape pool is around $3,000 installed. A basic 18 by 36 pool liner is around $4,000 installed. And a basic 20 by 40 liner is around $5,000 installed. For True L, Lazy L, and Freeform pools, call Liner Specialist in Oxford, Ohio for current pricing.